Hey guys, Blackjack here, and in this video I want to go through a nice bundle that Humble Bundle has come up with. You can get it by going to humblebundle.com, then go to bundles, and then it's the Vegas Pro bundle, the software bundle. Now this bundle is pretty good for YouTubers because it comes with two very good video editors and a very good sound editor. So let's just go through it. Vegas Pro, discover your endless freedom. Humble software bundle, Vegas Pro, discover your endless freedom again. Everything you need to produce stunning videos with epic soundtracks. Enter the big screen with Vegas Pro 16 edit plus Hollywood effects like Pro Dad V-Speeder and FX Home Enhance Ultra. Create your own songs using the Music Maker Score Edition. Produce videos with Vegas Movie Studio 16 and record and edit with Soundforge Audio Studio 13. Discover your endless freedoms with one of our best-selling bundles ever. Plus, your purchase will support Stop AAPI Hater. So when you do actually purchase this, if you do purchase this bundle, you do support a charity as well. So let's just go over what's in the bundle. First of all, we've got Music Maker Score Edition. I don't rate this. This is like you copy and paste stuff from the soundtracks you can get. You can purchase them, or you do get a voucher code here for $20, and you just mix them together to make songs. You can connect up to MIDI keyboard as well if you want to, and then create songs through MIDI keyboards. Not my thing. I've got it. It's not my thing. So there you go. Then the next one, where you only need to pay £18.11, you unlock two very good software suites for YouTubers. This is Movie Studio 16. Now I've got here, this is Movie Studio 17, not 16 but 17. The main difference is these here. All these do not exist. It's just all plugins all dumped into one. I do want to show a tip on here. So if you go to it's been a while since I used it because I don't use this anymore. Add media, I use Filmora mainly. I do want to show something, so we go to that and that of them. Let's just put the Twitch outro on here. You don't want to use that for what I'm about to do, so we'll just delete that and then add a video track and then subscribe notifications. Into audio. There. It's a video track. Let's have a look. Let's do it again. Right, this track here is actually a alpha channel track, but as you can see, it's not coming through. The alpha channel is not working. What you need to right click. And then you want to go to the properties of this. Properties, media, and you want to, this is the alpha channel here, you just want to select that to straight. Then as you can see there, it's playing it straight away. Okay. What you can do with this as well, we can do anything you can do with normal video editor. Version 16 does have some very basic titling, not all the stuff like you get on here, but some just very basic titling. Most of this is just I've actually got some FX plugins already installed, Ignite, but if you don't have that, the main thing you get is the this one is the default text, so you can just add some text onto your thing, and then you get all this stuff here. You get basic stuff here all the way up to title 1, so all the stuff you do get with version 16. This is version 17. The beauty of this bundle as well is, if you buy this, then you can upgrade to this version at the upgrade price. So you will get a very nice discount. You will actually save some money by buying this and upgrading to version 17 if you want to upgrade to version 17. And you got a pretty good deal on at the minute for version 17, where you get this new blue title of Pro 7 Express. You can do fancy titles with it. Also version 17 uses more GPU than version 16. Version 16 does use some GPU, but version 17 uses more of your GPU than your CPU. You get all these, the way it does everything is all nice. It is a better version. That's for version 17, but version 16 you get some, it is some decent stuff. You get some very nice stuff with it. The thing is with this, you do not get any of the plugins you get if you buy it off the website. Next one is a audio station, Soundforge audio station. Now this is version 13. I've actually got version 15 on here. Version 15 is a hell of a lot better, but again, you do get the opportunity to upgrade it at the upgrade price, because you've already got version 13, and the upgrade will work all the way up to version 15. Again, this is mainly just an audio, a fairly decent audio editor. I don't use that much, but it is very nice. The beauty of this thing is actually you can import, you can do the same in, well, let's go to open. You can do the exact same thing in version 13. Let's just go to, you can actually import a video. Then you can edit the audio of the video in this, and you can export the video as well with the new soundtrack. So you don't have to break out the audio from the video to edit your video, to edit the audio on your video, which I think is very useful. Odyssey does not do that. The open source version of this does not do that. Now what you don't get in version 13 is all this lot here. All you get is this, but you do get some tools. Again, you don't get Ozone with it. That's part of that's a plugin which you can get if you do upgrade to version 15. But you do get most of this slot here and most of this slot here. So it is pretty good, especially considering you get both of them for only £18.11. And like I said, you can upgrade them fairly cheap. The next one is you pay £21.80. You get Read Speeder. Basically, this is I think I've got it. I don't know whether I've got it installed now because I don't use it. No, I haven't got it installed. I don't think. Let's just forward that. No, I haven't got it. Right, basically what this does is allows you to slow down your videos. So say you shot a video in 60 frames per second, but you want it in only 20 frames per second to slow it down. This software will do everything for you, and it fills in the frames. It is good at doing that, but it's a one-trick pony type thing. I never used it. This one is the big brother to the movie studio. So this is a professional version of that, but this is two versions old. Now I do get regular emails where I can upgrade my movie studio for £72 to the latest version of Vegas Pro. I don't have this, so I can't show it yet because I haven't bought this. I might buy it, I might not. I haven't decided yet because I've already got 3 or 4 video editors. This is basically the Pro version of that. And this is a set of plugins you get from FX Home, which will work with this and that, and any other video software like FX Home's own HitFilm Pro or HitFilm Express. It will work with HitFilm Express as well. You have 5 nice filters. So kinematic aberration, high pass sharpen, dehaze, lens dirt. Well, you get 4. It's basically all this lot here. These are useful because they will work in not just the Vegas software, but if you got Adobe software, it could work with that. If you got DaVinci Resolve, they'll also work with that, and also HitFilm Pro, HitFilm Express. Most decent video editors, these plugins will work with it. So it's not just for Vegas stuff. So you get all them for £21.80. I think this is a cracking deal if you want to get into YouTube. This is a cheap way to get some very good editing software which you can upgrade at the upgrade price instead of paying full price if you want to get into it. And because it's got the basic version and then the pro version as well, with all the colour correction and all that stuff on the pro version, which you don't get on the more basic version. That's the main difference between these two, is all the colour correction stuff. If you really want to get really into it, this Vegas Pro is a fully fledged professional video editor that some movie studios do use to do stuff with. So it is a very good video editor. Is it better than Adobe? Is it better than DaVinci Resolve? Personal preference. Personally, I've always used either this or Filmora for basic stuff. I use Filmora for my basic video needs, and then I use Movie Studio 17 for my advanced video needs. I might get this just to get Vegas Pro because I want to have a look to see what it's like. Anyway, this is going on for another 17 days at the time of recording. I will probably release this tomorrow, so by the time you see this video, it could be about 16 days left on it. Oh well, but even if you're just thinking about it to do it in the future, it's worth getting it now because, like I said, you can upgrade all the software in here at the upgrade price instead of paying the full version, and you can just do quick stuff with it, like learn how to use it and stuff like that, and just do the odd video or whatever, just to see if you like the taste of doing YouTube videos or not. It's a very good way to get into it. This is Blackjack, signing off.